Hello friends, welcome back. In last video we have completed our adapter related coding. Currently it is showing in red color, but there is no problem with our coding. It is some build related issue. Okay, so just ignore this red color. Okay, but we run this code successfully. Okay, in this video we are going to have the event of recycler view. Okay, and for the event handling in recycler view we are going to create interface inside our adapter. So you can see I am going to create public interface on person click listener. That is something interface name I have chosen set, right? And inside interface I will create one method here, void on person click. Okay, whatever name you required, and I'm going to pass the key and the object, both argument I want to pass. So I will pass key comma person. Okay, because key is required whenever you are deleting or updating your data with Firebase. Okay, so this method is ready. Next I'm going to create the instance of this interface. So I will have private on person click listener. Okay, and this listener instance I will make it ready with my constructor. So inside constructor I have one more argument, and then I will type listener, this dot listener equal to listener. If I add one more argument with my adapter, then inside activity we will have the error because second argument is missing. So the better solution is, instead of making this code ready inside our own data change method, I will cut this code and set my adapter method I will create, and I will create this method, alter enter create method inside activity, and it is better to put here. Next, second argument we need to pass the interface. Okay, so interface you can write like new on person click listening. So this is our anonymous coding we have ready, and if you want you can make it replace with lambda expression. Okay, so this is our interface get ready from the activity, and we pass the interface reference here inside constructor. Next, inside our own bind view folder we can type folder dot binding dot item view. Okay, we are not getting folder dot item. Okay, we can type folder dot item view, right? That is something available with our super class view holder, and it represents the person item display with our recycler view. So with this item view, set on click listener and lambda expression we have. Okay, so that is enough. We make the click event ready, and with this item view click I will call the interface method, that is listener dot on person click, and I will pass key comma person. So this data will be available inside our activity. We jump from the adapter to activity, and is inside this adapter we can show the dialog. Okay, we can confirm our operation, whether we want to have a edit or the delete operation, whatever you want. Okay, so this is how you can continue the code. So confirm dialog. Okay, with this dialog again I will pass the key comma person, and I will create this method by alter enter. So let's have alert dialog dot builder. Okay, and dot set title. Okay, inside the builder we need to pass context. Okay, so I will pass this here. Okay, new alert dialog dot builder dot set title, choose operation, then set positive button, that is edit comma new on click listener, right? And then after set negative button, that will be delete new on click listener, and then you can have set neutral button, which is cancel. Don't want to perform any operation, that will be a neutral. dot create and dot show. So it will display the alert dialog. Very simple alert dialog we have made ready. And if it click on the delete button, let me show you delete operation first. So if user choose delete operation, then we want to delete the person. So delete person method we will have, and I will pass key because key is the only thing we require to delete the person. And I will create the method inside our activity. So I'm going to delete the person, and to delete person we again need a reference which person you want to delete. Okay, so I just copy this code and paste here. First we need a database object, and then we need a reference, and inside the reference you can see we have the reference of person's path, and we have one more method that is a child, and inside the child you can pass key. So we will reach to the person which I want to remove or delete. Okay, so this reference represent a path of the person which I want to remove. Okay, and next you can type reference dot remove value. Simple method we have. Remove value will remove the person value, and of course if we are removing the person value, then key also get removed. Okay, and with this remove method again we will have the add-on complete listener method, and inside this method I will pass the interface on complete listener. You can replace with the lambda this syntax, and the same code you can repeat which we write while inserting the person. So if task dot is successful, then we will have the toast deleted successfully. And if anything goes wrong, then we will have the else part, and we can have deletion fail. Okay, so that is very simple code we have with the delete operation, 2 line of code. And once you delete any person, it will automatically get reflected inside your recycler view, because the listener we set up with our database reference, it will always read if any change with your database, with your persons. Okay, so guys, let's run and check the output. If we are removing, then it is get removed from your Firebase console as well as from your recycler view. So guys, our application runs successfully. If I click on any item, you can see we are getting the pop-up here, because my virtual device is not high resolution. It is having some resolution problem, but not an issue. Okay, we are only able to see cancel and edit. Why not delete? Because you can see we positive and negative button 2 times we have set. So let me make it change. Here we need a neutral button. With this change, let me run the app again. Okay, so guys, our application runs successfully again, and if I click on any of the person, we will see 3 options. Now we are going to delete the person, so I click on delete, and you can see data reflected with our recycler view, and also inside my Firebase we have only 2 persons. One is Mitesh, second one is Michael. Okay, so this is how the delete operation works well. For cancel there is no code we need to write anything here. Okay, and you can also improve your code by replacing the event with the lambda expression inside our alert dialog as well. You can see code becomes very simpler. Okay, so with this we are ending up this video. We have done the delete operation. In next video I will show you the edit operation. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and comment this video. In next video I will show you the update operation, and we will complete our code, the CRUD operation with Firebase. So guys, don't forget to watch the next video as well, and also implement with your application as well. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video.